Hey guys, I leave for Buffalo tomorrow and I'm sick, but we're holding in there.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape.
So this is what I bring. So if you're watching this thinking, why is she packing so much? It's because I'm there for 5 days instead of 2. It's the day I gotta leave. It is Thursday and the sun is out today, but guess what? It snowed. So, I got the last of my things. It's gonna be a fun ride. It's 2.5 hours, maybe 3 depending on the traffic. If you are thinking about joining a branch, just like I talk to everybody. If you think you know what branch you want, still talk to other ones. I talked to the Army first actually, and I went in and I talked to them, and there was just like not that big of a connection there. So then I talked to the Marine Corps, and they did not have the jobs that I wanted, but they did offer me some other ones that I wasn't super interested in. So I hemmed and hawed for a while and finally talked to the Air Force, and I really did have a good connection with my recruiter, and she was very good in answering all my questions. So the biggest tips that I can give you is make sure you ask as many questions as possible and that you get solid answers after asking the same questions multiple times. Do not go open general if you want to go active duty, even reserve. Do not go open general at all. You'll know what that means once you get there. Unless you have absolutely no job preference at all. My third tip would be, don't be afraid to say, no, I don't want that job. Give me a little time to think about this or that. You know, you are a body to them. Like, you are another recruit or trainee that's going to be put in their number book, and they want you, they really do. So make sure you get what you want. If they get what they want, you should get what you want. You know what I mean? So if they're offering you jobs you don't want, tell them you'll think about it, or if there's any other options for you. And if they're trying to push you one way, like very aggressively, find another recruiter, because some of them can get really out of hand and you don't deserve that when it's such a big life choice, you know what I mean? Be vigilant and be aware of what you're getting yourself into.
To continue on to NY 690 South.
Thank you.
Problems in the streets again, drowning in the violence. It's getting pretty tense. A lot of...
Here it is. We hit it. The snow. Yay! Okay, we are 2 hours down. The snow has stopped. 1 hour to go. I think I can make it shorter than that.
We've got to go hard.
Got my card. Finally here. Check this out. Kitchen area. I may have a roommate on Friday night. That's my bed. I always pick the one by the window. So that's my little area. TV and bathroom. tonight's gonna be a boring night, so really not much until tomorrow, and then the fun begins. Guys, I have the best news. I just got promoted to senior freaking airman. I am so happy. I had no idea. I just saw it, my rank, when I logged onto my computer and I asked my supervisor why it was like that. And they said, oh, yeah, you got promoted. And I was like, hey guys, so one of my friends is about to come over and we're gonna chill for a little bit. I always love opening the door and seeing them because they are always so happy to see me. So, they're about to come. I upgraded. I saw you dancing out here. Were you dancing?
Yeah.
You was in my bathroom.
I'm going just like this. I'm about to drill you. Alright, Squadron, so this is what we're going to get for today.
So today we're going to learn about hair regulation.
So today's brief is going to be on hair regs.
Wait, let me see both sides of your head.
That's going to be an AFI. She ain't going to do it.
Getting ready, getting prepped.
Date night.
I'm here at the gym. I'm gonna try and get some recording in, but I don't know how many people are in there right now. Usually there's not a lot. So here it is. I hope you guys think this gym is pretty cool. I do. I love it here. So I'm doing a light back and shoulder day just because I'm still sick.
Yeah, the shadows are calling us out. I see the fear rising. Yeah, but my hope is burning. The shadows are calling us out. We are heroes, heroes in the darkest time when there is no light. Oh, we are heroes, heroes in the darkest time, but we'll rise above. Oh, we are heroes. It's feeling like the sun's hiding, but we're gonna keep moving, surviving. No, we won't go quiet tonight. Let's stand up and shout louder. Oh no, no, we won't be silent. The shadows are calling us out. We are heroes, heroes in the darkest time when there is no light. Oh, we are heroes, heroes in the darkest time.
Hello? I didn't even get you hitting it. So, usually every UTA, I end up sitting here for hours watching basketball. It's my life.
I'm usually playing.
He's sleeping though. We're about to go bowling.
Okay, bye, Samantha.
Ooh. Hey, are you making fun of me in my own video?
You up in public, straight starting, cop another pic.
No, saying y'all already know what it is.
Be careful with that.
Yeah. Okay.
On that shit.
Right.
You're calling it.
Strike, Josh. No. This is the ball right here. That's the ball.
Alright, this is the ball that's gonna get the strike. Ball spare now. Wow. 2 for 2.
Nice. That's great. That's great. That's great.
Wow. I haven't recorded you yet. Oh! Light! Chat, chat! About, hey! Forward part! Ball!
You ain't calling. What are you doing, Aaron?
Okay guys, so it's my last day here. I just finished packing up some of my things and I'm saying goodbye to the room. Packing to leave somewhere is never as neat as packing to go somewhere, I can tell you that much.